Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another quick and easy holiday sewing project. In today's tutorial, we're making denim Christmas tree ornaments. Use your fabric scraps and an old pair of blue jeans to create your own handmade Christmas ornaments. Make one or all three for your tree this year. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need denim fabric, fabric scraps for the appliqué, cotton batting, a paper-backed fusible web like Heat and Bond Light, a ribbon or cord for hanging, pinking shears, and don't forget the printable templates. I'll add links down below of the products I'm using today. First, place a piece of denim with the right side of the fabric facing down. Add the batting on top. Place another piece of denim on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center a circle template in the middle and pin it to hold the stack together. Stitch all the way around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving the dotted line area open. Use a marking pencil to trace that dotted line part of the circle. And then remove the template. Use pinking shears to cut the circles out about 1/2 inch outside the stitching line, including above the unstitched marked top line. Trace the appliqué onto the paper side of the fusible web and cut the pieces out about 1/4 inch outside the tracing lines. Following the manufacturer's directions, fuse the pieces to the wrong side of the fabric and let them cool. Then cut out the pieces along the trace lines. Remove the paper backing from the fusible web, and with the opening at the top, center the appliqué pieces on the denim and fuse them into place. Stitch around the raw edges of the appliqué with blanket, zigzag, satin, or straight stitches. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I work on the appliqué. To make the hanging loop, fold the cord or ribbon in half and insert the raw edges inside the opening about 1/2 inch or more. Secure the loop in place by finishing the stitching over the traced line. And just like that, just that fast, you have Christmas tree ornaments to decorate your tree or your home for the holiday. See you next time with another project.